So, it's car show today, said VS excitedly. Yeah, and we're the first ones to arrive too. The Holdens were sitting on a large patch of land that had been hired out for the day for the car show. I wonder, said Kate, shouldn't there be more iconic cars arriving? Well, we are early, said Bruce. Early? The show was meant to start 10 minutes ago, said Monty. Well, if we're the only ones here, shouldn't we go? Suggested VS. Nonsense, VS. I'm sure while we're here others will come and admire us. Look, here comes a police car. Hello, said the police car. What are you all doing here? The Holdens were very surprised. They had not expected the police car to ask that at all. What does it look like we're doing here, officer? Replied VS, her excited mood immediately disappearing. We're here on display for a car show. There's no car show here, replied the police car. I would have been told about it otherwise. Don't be funny, officer, snapped Monty. We were told a car show was meant to be here, and we are splendid true blue Australian cars. You have no right to talk to us like that. Very good story, said the police car angrily, with his bonnet going red with anger. You are on private property after all, and if I catch you here by the time I return, I will fine all of you, even if you are special Holdens. Do I make myself clear? And he left. Now who is he to speak to us like that? Said Frankie. He's a Land Rover. What do you expect? They think they own the roads. I wish the police station never hired cars like that, said VS. Meanwhile, back at the club rooms... I wonder where my colleagues have got to, wondered Terry. Hello? Bruce? VS? Kate? Anyone here? He then checked the racetrack. I'm bored, said VS. Nobody's turned up. It's no fun sitting here and doing nothing. Can't we just go? No, insisted Monty. The crowd will turn up eventually. We may as well just stay here until they do. Aha! So here you guys are, came a familiar voice. It was Terry. Ah, you're finally here, Terry, said Monty. Well, where is everyone? We've been waiting ages for them. Terry giggled. You guys are silly. The car show has been postponed till next week. Well, why didn't you tell us, old car? Snapped Monty. Well, you never asked me. I just assumed you knew. Speaking of which, we better get going, otherwise you'll have an encounter with the cops. I passed a Range Rover police car along the way, and he was going to fine all of you, I think. So, the 6 Holdens formed a convoy and headed back to the club rooms.